What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be going over my list of things you need for university and some you honestly just don't. The first thing you gotta have is a planner. Here we have the Daily Goal Setter by Wallpaper. It has daily to-do lists and serves also as a gratitude tracker. You basically have to write an affirmation for yourself and then 3 things you're grateful for before you move on to the to-do list. And of course, it also has the traditional monthly and weekly layouts. And yes, it comes with this amazing quote to motivate you. However, if you need more flexibility with your spreads, you can have a bullet journal and basically create your own planner. I'm using one by Page Anchor, and you can use my code abookis15 for a discount. I'll leave the link in the description. I like having multiple habit trackers, a schedule for my university, and I've also tried to create a weekly spread. This is what I came up with. Another option is going digital with Notion or simply your calendar, but that's completely up to you. The next thing we have to change tracks. Yes, as I was saying, you definitely need a laptop and a sleeve to keep it safe, especially if you go out studying in a library or a coffee shop. And yes, my screen is super dirty and I keep cleaning it how? Now moving on to my favorite essential, that's aesthetic stationery, and that's because if you actually like your stationery, somehow you're motivated to study. I have no idea how to explain it, but it works for me. I have a fake Muji pencil case with just a few things in. That's a gel pen from Pilot and then a mechanical pencil. I also use some highlighters for notes, and obviously these amazing minimal pencils, which I'm obsessed with, but I don't remember where I got them from. I think it's from a local store, I'm not sure. If there's one app you need, that's a scanner, especially if you like digital notes. I personally use GoodNotes 5, which has an inbuilt scanner that works really well. Last essential is a pair of earphones, especially because now online classes require you to actually speak. Ew, I know, but you definitely need a pair of earphones with noise cancellation. I have these earbuds by Urbanista, if I'm spelling that correctly. And yes, I got a link in the description for those two. Moving on to things you don't necessarily need, I'm gonna be starting with the Apple Watch because a lot of people on my studygram keep asking about it, do you actually need one for school? And my answer is a solid no. The same goes for an iPad, even though that really comes down to one's preference, because digital note-taking is on the rise, and especially if you also like drawing, getting an iPad is very debatable. And that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like this video, leave a comment, consider subscribing for more, and I'll see you guys on my next video.